Okay, let's talk about factorization of algebraic expressions. When each of the terms of an expression is divisible by a common factor, the expression may be simplified by dividing each term separately by this common factor and enclosing the quotient within brackets. The common factor is placed outside the brackets as a coefficient. And when we happen to do that, or when we follow this process, we call the process factorization. Let's give an example. If I have 5x plus 5b, 5x plus 5b to factorize. How to look for the common factor or the highest common factor of the two terms. Here we have two terms. 5x is one term, 5b is one term, and those two terms have a factor, and that factor is common to two of them. So we have 5, which is a factor in the first term. 5 is also a factor in the second term. So what do? We are saying that we place the common factor outside a bracket that we create, and then 5x divided by 5, I have x, and then 5b divided by x, I have b. So I have finished factorizing my expression. So 5x plus 5b, the factorized form is 5 into bracket x plus b. Let's look at a second example. If I have 6a squared minus 10a, oh come on, minus 10a, sorry, minus 10a, 6a squared minus 10a to factorize. We are going to find the common factor, the highest form common factor between the two terms. I know that 6 equals 3 times 2, and then the a squared minus, and I know that 10 equals 5 times 2 and the a. And then I know the power of this a is 1. So the common factor here is 2a and then 2a, the highest common factor. So if I have to factorize this expression, I will try to put the 2a outside the bracket that I am going to create. So if I take 2a from this, I'm left with 3a. Because if I multiply 2a by 3a, I'm going to get 6a squared. Because I have power 1 and power 1. So when I multiply a by a, I'm going to get a to the power 1 plus 1. That is 2a times 3a will give me 6a squared. So minus, I'm taking 2a, so I'm left with 5. So 6a squared minus 10a, when we factorize it, we get 2a into bracket 3a minus 5. That's the factorized form. In case we want to verify it, we can just write 2a into bracket 3a minus 5, and we expand it. When you are expanding it, you take 2a times 6a, it gives us, 2a times 3a, it gives us 6a squared. And then I come back, I take 2a multiplied by 5, it gives me 10a. So this is the factorized form of our expression.